Talking without thinking is like shooting without aiming. The truth may be stretched thin, but it never breaks, and it always surfaces above lies. As oil floats on water, there's no taking trout with dry breeches. Hunger is the best sauce in the world. Our greatest foes, in whom we must chiefly combat, are within. Where one door shuts, another opens. To be prepared is half the victory. Facts are the enemy of the truth. Make it thy business to know thyself, which is the most difficult lesson in the world. Get the better of yourself.
This is the best kind of victory. Being slayer kills fear. God exalts the man who humbles himself. On who loses veat loses much. On who loses a friend loses more. But on who loses co urage loses all. Believet here are no limits but deski. Doing good to falls is like pouring water into the sea. Many littles make a much. In order to attain the impossible, one must attempt the absurd. Yellows always looks to rock has glass to hat makes small things big. Dwarfs giants. Suspicions. Truths. A man with without honor is worse to hand at. Your heart should be like a wax molded, as your loved on places. But enduring has marble time. Man go out for wall. And some homes horn to themselves. Within humor do not reside in slow minds. Trust in time. He usually gives sweet solutions to many bitter difficulties. Diligence is the mother of good fortune. And idleness. It's opposite. Never broke the man to the goal of his best wishes. The eyes are the silent tongues of love. Woman's advice has little value. But who want take it is a fall. Love and desire are two different things. To have not everything to have is loved is desired. Nor everything to have is desired is loved. Every man is the son of his own works. The both can not always stand bend.